पुश कर देना भाई, करना आगे करना, भूल लगा ना उस पे बैठना पड़ेगा ना।
Thank you. Or should I keep that on?
So what brings you to Aldo?
Well, I'm here to unveil Aldo's new summer collection, which is the SS15 collection, which has a lot of young, fun, funky stuff. It has a lot of florals, it has a lot of color blocks, very vibrant colors. Even the whites and the nudes and the blacks are also very fun and funky, like there are a lot of tie-ups. And as you can see, the floral prints are there, which is something very fun and very young, I feel. I think this spring, summer, we can probably just wear like a block of color, like maybe a white or a nice yellow, and you can just add on a little bit of spunk in your shoes, which is something which is not very common. So I think, this summer we can do something new.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, कोई सेलेब किसी प्रोडक्ट का प्रमोशन करने आता है या उसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया जाता है?
I think काफ़ी responsibility बढ़ जाती है because people who follow me or people who believe in me, they put in this certain trust in you. तो उन्हें लगता है कि अगर आप कोई ब्रांड सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या आप कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड पहनते हैं तो इट शुड बी गुड. सो आई थिंक एक क्वालिटी और एक ट्रस्ट वैल्यू जो है वो एक सेलिब्रिटी के थ्रू आती है. सो इवन एज अ सेलिब्रिटी वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस कि हम जो ब्रांड चूज़ करते हैं या हम जो भी ब्रांड प्रमोट करते हैं उसमें हम बिलीव करें. एंड आई थिंक Aldo is a brand that I personally buy from, and I've been buying from Aldo since a long time. So I was really happy when they asked me to come and support. Even the whites and the nudes and the blacks are also very fun and funky, like there are a lot of tie-ups. And as you can see, the floral prints are there, which is something very fun and very young, I feel. I think this spring, summer, we can probably just wear like a block of color, like maybe white or a nice yellow, and you can just add on a little bit of spunk in your shoes, which is something which is not very common. So I think this summer we can do something.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है, कोई सेलेब किसी प्रोडक्ट का प्रमोशन करने आता है या उसका ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाया जाता है?
लुक सेंटर प्लीज. काफी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है because people who follow me or people who believe in me, they put in this certain trust in you. तो उन्हें लगता है कि अगर आप कोई ब्रांड सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं या आप कोई पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड पहनते हैं तो इट शुड बी गुड. सो आई थिंक एक क्वालिटी और एक ट्रस्ट वैल्यू जो है वो एक सेलिब्रिटी के थ्रू आती है. सो इवन एज ए सेलिब्रिटी वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस कि हम जो ब्रांड चूज़ करते हैं या हम जो भी ब्रांड प्रमोट करते हैं उसमें हम बिलीव करें. एंड आई थिंक Aldo is a brand that I personally buy from, and I've been buying from Aldo since a long time. So I was really happy when they asked me to come.
आप कौन सा पैरामीटर्स देखती हैं किसी ब्रांड को चुनने के लिए?
Well, I think, as I said, quality, I think values of a brand is very important. And कई बार होता है कि काफ़ी टाइम से एक ब्रांड चल रहा है तो उसकी एक जो पहचान होती है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बन चुकी होती है. एंड इट्स नोन quality for me is the first thing. And of course, then when it comes to fashion brands, it also depends on, the looks and if I like the particular styles that the brand offers.
किटी आप कितनी ब्रांड कॉन्शियस? आप कितनी ब्रांड कॉन्शियस?
ब्रांड कॉन्शियस मैं एक्चुअली नहीं हूँ काफ़ी, because I think I've just been born and brought up in that way where brands धीरे ट्राई करना आप स्टार्ट होते हो. And I think a lot of brands which probably are very very new to me, but they've been there for a long time. But Aldo is one particular brand which I think मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि मैं जब मूवीज़ करना स्टार्ट हुई तब मैंने पहनना शुरू करा. I think it's something which can wear. It's not very expensive. It's very affordable, and their shoes and their bags and everything, accessories, I think everything is very, very young and very feminine, I would feel. So, yeah, it's a brand that I've been wearing since a long time. मैं सिंग इज ब्लिंग अब नहीं कर रही हूँ, एज यू मस्ट हैव रेड, लेकिन हाँ, काफ़ी रीजंस की वजह से वो फिल्म जो है वो थोड़ी पोस्टपोन हो रही थी कॉन्स्टेंटली, एंड आई एम अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट एबल टू डू द फिल्म. I was really preparing a lot for the film and I really wanted to do it. Akshay Kumar and Prabhu Deva, they are a team that you always want to be a part of. So unfortunately it was getting delayed, और finally अब जब वो start हो रही है, the dates are clashing with my other projects. So I think it was a mutual decision. हमने बहुत कोशिश करी, मैंने और producer Ashwini Adi ने, to work out the dates, but unfortunately sometimes it's not in your hands and you can't do anything about it. So I think we mutually decided that I should probably step out of the film, and I think Amy is doing the film now, and I guess I know the script, so I know that she suits the role perfectly, and I wish her all the best.
रोहित शेट्टी की भी कोई फिल्म आप कर रहे हैं?
I'm really sorry that I won't be able to comment on films as such right now. This is probably also not the right platform, and I think थोड़ा time आप लोग wait करो, तो you will hear all the things and everything will be cleared out, and I'll talk when the time is right, and that's going to be soon.
Okay,
कृति, आप दिल्ली से हैं. दिल्ली में जो निर्भया कांड हुआ था उसके ऊपर एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनी है जो बैन है, तो आप उसके बारे में क्या विचार रखते हैं?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्विटर पर काफ़ी खुलकर अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखा था, बिकॉज आई जस्ट कुड नॉट होल्ड माई सेल्फ बैक. मैं दिल्ली में थी जब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ, एंड what I felt that time, the anger and the pain that I felt that time, I felt the same thing all over again when I saw the documentary. इंसान को, especially men, should watch that documentary. I don't know why it is banned in our country, and I think we're just putting ourselves back into the same situation by banning it. So I think everyone should watch it, and it's very shameful whatever has happened. I mean, if I start talking, I'll just get emotional about it.
Kriti, I have a question for you. Could you tell us what you're wearing?
I am wearing this jumpsuit. It's a guest jumpsuit, and it's denim, which is very, very comfortable, and it's young at the same time. And I think when you wear a jumpsuit, it kind of gives, and as you can see, it's just fitting me very well. So I rather choose things which fit me well, which complement my body. I'm tall, so I think it is something which complements my body type. And yeah, it's a nice comfortable jumpsuit, and denim is something which can never go wrong. And I'm wearing Aldo shoes, which are a little more funkier than my outfit.
वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, वर्ल्ड कप आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, मैं स्पेशली इंडिया के मैचेस, आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट, वेदर आई एम हियर और देयर, आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू वॉच इट. I'll wish the Indian cricket team all the very best, and we're not going to let the World Cup go away. It's going to come back to where it is right now.
Kriti, hi, I'm Priyanka. I'm from ActFacts. I wanted to know 5 Aldo must-haves, 5 or 3 must-haves for the upcoming season. Summer,
5?
mainly.
You want me to pinpoint or?
Yeah, anything that you mentioned or that you feel is a must-have for the summer season.
I think first of all, since I've said so much and I really like, it's right in front of me. One probably from the floral print collection. I think a floral pump will be something which is going to just add a little bit of fun element to your outfit. And there are a lot of nice vibrant color bags as well. There are a lot of there are tie-up shoes which are a little more fun than a normal peep toe. So I think that, and what else? Probably the pair that I'm wearing, because it's a nice, I'll just show it to you. It's a nice 2-color pump. So that's something which can add a little bit of color to what you're wearing. Thank you.
Well, Kriti, since it's a digital space, and today in the afternoon itself you gave an interview. We would invite you, and no event gets complete without a selfie. So we invite you to take a selfie on your own. We have a few prompts. I'd like somebody to get them here, please.
It is very hot. मुझे एक्चुअली बिल्कुल पता नहीं है मैं उनसे या आई थिंक फिल्म्स जितना मैं बोल रही हूँ जैसे कि आई कांट कमेंट ऑन एनीथिंग राइट नाउ इट विल बी सून देयर आर प्रॉब्ली क्लियर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्पेकुलेशन गोइंग अराउंड आई एम ऑल्सो हियरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ बट आई एम actually not allowed to speak on any film right now. I just want to say that I'm in a very happy space right now as far as my career is concerned, and I like the way it's going, I like the way it's shaping, and yeah.
So here we have a selfie frame. I would like if you could take a selfie.
How do I take it with this?
This is
Like,
if somebody could help us with a selfie.
yeah, it has to be someone else clicking us.
Yeah, please.
You face the side.
Are you clicking? Click a normal photo na?
Take a normal selfie.
अरे बाबा
I'll hold it. Thank you.
Hi Kriti, this is Annabelle from Times. I was often associated with vacation and holidays and taking a break. So what's your favorite vacation dressing tip?
Vacation dressing tip.
Do you have a vacation planned? You've been working so hard. And
not
what's your
yet.
favorite dressing tip for vacation?
Kriti, no, don't talk.
I don't think you should have a vacation dressing tip. I mean, you're on a vacation. Just be free, wear what you're most comfortable in. If you like wearing pajamas, just go on a beach in a pajama, it's okay. But yeah, I think it depends on where you're going for a vacation. If you're going on a beach, you'll dress differently. If you're going on a hill station for vacation, you'll dress differently. So I just feel that you should, on a vacation, you need to be comfortable, you need to be happy. So just wear what you feel like, whatever just makes you feel comfortable.
Hi, I'm Anjana from Female Publication. I need to ask you from the entire collection that is launched today, which is your favorite
It's the floral pump. Yeah.
and what are the summers that you want to share of your, you have the summers that, any tips about that?
Yeah, I think as far as skin is concerned, I mean, not only in summers, but you should always put sunscreen. I think sun is something which can damage your skin a lot. So a sunscreen is a must, probably twice a day. And even if you're sitting at home, it's something which is very, very important. Sometimes, because of summers, we tend to not moisturize the skin. But whether it's summers or winters or any season, you need to moisturize your skin. Make sure that you take off your makeup every night properly with a makeup remover, and then wash it with a face wash and then moisturize. So I think skin is something which needs to breathe also. So keep it minimal when it comes to makeup, and yeah, that's all.
Kriti, as a thanks you for gracing this occasion with your presence. Thank